How did you get screwed over genetically? My mom is beautiful, always has been. She was popular in high school and college, life of the party, belle of the ball kind of thing. My dad, on the other hand, looks like Mr. Miyagi with a touch of King Kong Lowell. I look like my dad. My younger sister looks like my mom. High school was tough. Reply. I used to rent a house to these twin brothers who were basically from the movie Twins. One was tall, athletic, funny, outgoing, always had a girl on his arm. The other was short, fat, balding, despite being 22 at the time, and had a miserable personality. I ran into the popular one a few years later on a train platform in Brooklyn at like 2 a.m. He told me he was working on Wall Street now and introduced me to his fiancée, who was an actual model. I asked about his brother, and he said, he's basically a hermit now. He lives in Maine and doesn't really leave the house. That must have been rough growing up for the ugly one.